is hitting at the Saffron Party for its quote-unquote corruption brand. In his tweet, he has also called for the sacking of the MLA and the other accused. Rohini, for more on this. Yes, Rohini, who exactly is he talking about?
Well, he's actually referring to Lamani himself and this arrest that has taken place very clearly. See, we have to understand there are two things. One is the Karnataka government, the Congress government in power, is battling against corruption charges itself. But this particular Lokayukta raid where an MLA, a sitting MLA of Shirahatti, Chandu Lamani, has been arrested, has given the Congress ammunition to target the BJP, who has been targeting the Congress, saying that the Congress is corrupt. And we also know how they have been earlier also with the Contractors Association has claimed that the corruption charges in Karnataka, especially in the Congress regime, has been much more than the BJP regime. And when they're battling these kind of charges, this particular arrest of a BJP MLA has now added to the fact that one, that it only shows that corruption continues in the state. It's deeply rooted. It doesn't matter if it's the Congress or the BJP. But clearly here, the Priyank Kharge now attacking the BJP on this, saying that it's your MLA, who's sitting MLA, who has been seen as accepting a bribe. The Lokayukta raid has taken place on him. So what are you talking about calling us corrupt when your people themselves are doing so?
All right, Rohini, do stay with us as we shift our focus to some more news coming in from the state of Karnataka now. Of course, political